very cute. And then now we're gonna attempt to do the same thing this side. Okay, you're gonna go in with your, how long has it been? 9 minutes or 6 minutes? Okay, not bad at all, my friend. So now you're gonna draw. Remember, you go like this brush, no, this what's this pencil. I got this pencil Signature. So I went to Signature thinking that this pencil is gonna be 5 rand. You know how if you go to like a China shop, you're gonna get it for like 5 rand, 15 rand, and they said it was 50 rand. Hey, I was like, no. I took the pencil. They're like, yeah, the pencil is 50 rand. Hi, saying I'm like, no, it's fine. And I took it. But you know what? I'm also not complaining because the quality is insane. So this is what I was saying about brushing. Do you see how I just drew a bottom line, and once you start like brushing it almost, not even almost, it sort of fades upwards, or it fades towards the direction where you're brushing your don't let the way that it looks like now like scare you, because you're still gonna conceal it. You can be scared if you don't have a concealer and you're just merely depending on your brow drawing skill. Gonna go in with the concealer again, because you're gonna see the magic that's gonna happen after I conceal. And then let me see if you can. You see, immediately there's like progress. Not even progress, improvement. Progress was a wrong choice of word. A wrong choice of word, my friend. Let me add some concealer. I feel like it's too dark under my brow. And then you just, and now we're gonna go concealer at the top. Go concealer at the top. I'm gonna just dab. Remember that there's foundation here also. We're gonna mix it together. And we're gonna clean it up at the top. I'm not sure if you can see, but oh Lord, I pray that you pour favor unto me, unto my name, so that when people see my work, they may be drawn towards it. There are so many people who are doing the same thing like I am, but may I please stand out. Not because I am better, not because of anything. I am not special, but because of your favor. Okay. And there we go. This is a very easy, like, minimal equipment eyebrow